Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to discuss a little bit about the S&P 500. Okay, so I've got the Vanguard product up here on the screen. As you can see, current price being $339.05. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about why I believe the S&P 500 is the best investment you can make on the stock market essentially. If we look at growth, for example, it's been very consistent in terms of being a safe investment. It's been definitely there, up there, and averagely the year on year, the S&P 500 has produced a return of 10% per year. If you were to look at the conservative side of that, you could even average between 7 to 10%, and it's been consistent. It's been around for 50 plus years. And it's produced those returns, and for that reason I think it's a very safe investment. What it essentially is in a simple format is it is a pick of the top 500 companies in the US market. Okay, so the top 500 companies in terms of revenue and size. The S&P 500 holds those 500 companies within their index fund, and when you invest within that, you are essentially investing within those 500 companies, and a percentage of your funds that you've invested goes to each one of those companies based off of their size. So for example, Microsoft, a very big company, will receive much more of your investment compared to a smaller company on the S&P 500 as well. So it's all based on how much revenue they have. Now, looking here at the 5-year chart, we can see here the price was, for example, around about $195 in 2016, roughly around about this time, and it's doubled then since then, to be honest. So it's really been very consistent with its growth. Even this year, despite the pandemic and seeing a big dip from 310 all the way down to 210, it has risen right back up there. For those with, hopefully all of you guys, if you have invested already, held your positions and saw that growth come back just after a short few months. By August time, we were back up and seeing massive growth, and it really has been fantastic, and has prospered since then as well. And I believe it will prosper going forward as well with these companies that are in there. If you have a look at the list of companies that are in there and the companies that are joining, for example, Tesla's about to join this month as well. They really are a great mix of companies that I believe will push us into the future, and growth will follow through in terms of your investment as well. Now, what I would suggest is that in terms of index funds, you definitely do your own research, but this is the index fund that Warren Buffett has been a big advocate for. He even placed a bet against a hedge fund where he placed, I believe it was $1 million over a 10-year period, and he bet them that the S&P 500 would outperform their index, their hedge fund basically. And he was right, despite seeing dips and peaks and troughs. Essentially, by the end, his $1 million investment bet paid off, because the S&P 500 outperformed that hedge fund despite them trying to beat the market and to try and beat that. So it really is a great investment to regularly make into, perhaps, and it is hands off, of course, as well. You put your money in and hopefully you hold for a long time. Now imagine, guys, if you held this position for 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, you would really see some great growth in this, just as the past track record of it has shown. So it's something that I wanted to cover briefly, just show you how great of a product it is. The Vanguard product, by the way, is brilliant. I would suggest you sign up to Vanguard. Trading 212, by the way, is a great app as well for you to use to invest in this as well. What I would do is I will place a link to Trading 212 in my description box here below, and if you sign up with that link, you will get a free share worth up to £100 or dollars, based off of where you are in the country as well. So there's absolutely no harm in you doing that, and you will benefit from a free share that you'll get to keep then as well. But if you have any questions, guys, on the S&P 500 or anything else, please drop me a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.